Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Dedeng, and for today's vlog, I will show you on how I do my daily kilay. So, we will be needing a few items. Pot concealer from Sace Lady in a shade of natural. The very famous tinted brow gel from Sace Lady in the shade of number 1. And 3 brushes. I got this from Maanj. Spoolie applicator, and for the concealer, medyo dirty kahapon ko lang ito gigamit, so huwag tayong a little judger. So, for us to start, we are ibra-brush po natin ang ating kilay. So, upwards, the spoolie. Yes. So, once na na-brush na natin siya, let's get a small amount. Small lang dyan, because you don't need a lot. And let's get this, kaning animature sa brush. Ano, siyang angled a little. And let's create outline. So, what I do first is that I create kanang line diri, and then going upwards to the arch, and then diri pud sa taas arch pud, so that mag-meet tong duha. Okay na. And then let's just wipe a little lang tong sobra na line, and then get small product and continue doing the line. Kanang i-connect lang nimo siya. Ang siya impyuhan a little. And then ato po datong buhaton sa pika side sa atong kilay. Let's get product. And then, let's create, let's create kanang outline. An outline. And then, so, guys, don't worry if kanang it's a little messy. That's why we have concealer. So that ma-form natin siya ng mabuti and ma-highlight talaga yung kilay. And then, after which, i-fill lang natin yan. If it's a little overwhelming, that's fine. Kay i-brush pa man nato na. And, dili kay ta magbutang og daghan na product diri na area, so that hindi siya lain tingnan. Form lang nato siya sa atong desired shape. And i-fill lang pud nato ang mga wala na butangan. So, if kanang weird siya the first time, it's fine. Lalo na yung mga naga-start, cause before, dili jud ka, I don't, tawag nito, hindi masyado ako kikilay because I feel weird, but it takes practice para ma-master mo siya. Siya master, pero kalat dahil gihapon. Anyway, so now, you get the brush and you brush it upwards para ma-blend lang yung product sa eyebrows mo. Okay, so it's still overwhelming. I know, right? That's why naatay ginatawag na concealer kay atong i-conceal tong mga parts na pangit na ko. It's baga. So, let's just get mas nice if pot concealer ang gamiton for kanang mga ani. It's because ang pigment niya is mas compact good. I don't know how to explain. Pero pag once na na nimo good siya diri, mas nice siya kay basta ang kanyang coverage ba. Ganyan good. So, clean lang nato sa lower. And then, upper side. And here, sa mid. See? Diba? Magic! From like this to like this. Ay nako, if mapansin nyo medyo sinaw packing face or shiny pa, ko lang lagay ng mga cream moisturizer sa aking face. So, same goes here. Clean. O, diba? Emote. Tapos here. Oh, wait. Na-off aking there. Sorry sa commercial break. So, arrange lang natin to. And then, let's just blend lang natin siya using our fingertips because di naman lahat may beauty blender. So, we're done with our kilay. Wait. If pangit pa rin, you can just like brush. There you go. And magtuyo pa tong tinted gel na brow. Ay, sa daw tinted brow gel. So if you feel that it's still overwhelming, it's fine. Kay uga pa ni siya. Murag ikaw. Char lang. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!